What are the products of the reaction between ethoxide ion with cis 1-bromo 2-methyl cyclohexane and trans 1-bromo 2-methyl cyclohexane? This is very important one. I will explain how to do. This is anti-periplanar elimination. This is E2 mechanism, anti-periplanar elimination. Two groups to be removed from the substrate must be in the opposite direction and in the same plane. So here from alpha carbon we are removing Br minus, and from beta carbon we are removing H plus. So these two must be in the same plane but in the opposite direction. Let us take cis. So better to take chair conformation for better understanding. Let it be first carbon, next second carbon, bromine, H, here H down, then methyl group is in equatorial position. So now beta hydrogen to be removed and bromine to be removed, both are in the opposite direction and in the same plane. So when ethoxide is used, ethoxide is a base, it prefers to take hydrogen from right side beta carbon to give Sedgwick's product as major product. CH bond pair is dropped between 1 and 2 carbons and Br minus is removed. So between those two carbons double bond is created. One methyl cyclohexane. The product formed is 1-methyl cyclohexane. This is Sedgwick's product. Similarly, if two groups to be removed are in the same direction, what happens we will see. Same compound, first carbon, let it be second carbon, bromine and H. Equatorial position methyl, axial position hydrogen. Now to get Sedgwick's product, these two must be removed. H from second carbon. Since both are in the same direction, elimination is not possible. So E2 mechanism is anti-periplanar elimination. That's why just you observe the sixth carbon, left side beta hydrogen. Here two hydrogens are there, one is in axial position, another one is in equatorial position. So from left side beta carbon, from sixth carbon, hydrogen is eliminated even though it is going to give Hoffman product. So with ethoxide prefers to take beta hydrogen from left side beta carbon. CH bond pair is dropped between 1 and 6 and Br minus is eliminated. We can get Hoffman product between these two double bond. So now 3-methyl cyclohexane is the product. So even though this is Hoffman product, this is formed as major product. Since hydrogen from right side beta carbon is not in the opposite direction, the elimination leads to Hoffman elimination.